Hello, I'm Darren from Miro AI Studio. Your team needs to choose between 3 database solutions for your next project. You have performance benchmarks, pricing information, scalability features, and integration requirements scattered across browser tabs, docs, and meeting notes. Making sense of all this data manually takes hours. So let's try this way instead. Select Table. Use this focused prompt. Create a comparison table for 3 database solutions, evaluating performance metrics, pricing models, scalability features, integration capabilities, maintenance requirements, and community support. Include columns for each solution with clear ratings and key differentiators. Miro AI generates a comprehensive comparison with consistent evaluation criteria across all options. You receive performance ratings, cost breakdowns, feature availability, and technical requirements organized in a format that your entire team can understand and reference during decision-making discussions. Each row covers critical factors such as query performance, horizontal scaling, backup procedures, and third-party integrations that directly impact your development workflow. Here is where it becomes powerful for decision-making. Select your completed comparison table and click on Sidekicks. This time, choosing Document. Try this prompt. Based on the database comparison table, create a decision document that outlines the pros and cons of each solution and recommends the best option, considering our team size, technical requirements, and budget constraints. Watch Miro AI process your structured comparison and generate a detailed analysis of pros and cons. You receive specific recommendations tailored to your technical context, with budget considerations highlighted for each option, and clear reasoning behind the suggested choice. Your team transitions from endless evaluation to confident decision-making, supported by a documented rationale that everyone can understand. Ready to transform complex technical evaluations into clear decision frameworks? Create your comparison table with Miro AI today, and subscribe for more tutorials that simplify complex technical choices. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.